How long y'all keep y'all cuckoos in? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee here, and today we are doing a dry shampoo reset on my quick weave. On my quick weave. How long y'all keep y'all cuckoos in? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm trying to record on the mic now because I feel like sometimes I be yelling and I don't want to have to do that, you know? So, yeah. The other mic that I had a cord and I didn't like that. So, yeah. While we get into this, I'm going to put my topicals faded eye patches on. Because I also got a question for y'all. I'm posing a question. Do you raw dog your bonnet? Are y'all out here raw dog in the bonnet? Do y'all not put a scarf on under the bonnet? Let me know in the comments. So, things that I need. Today I'm going to use the Batista Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, the original clean, classic clean. Now, I like classic clean or I like the ones that have like a scent to it because, you know, sometimes if you are fry dyeing and laying to the side your hair, it's going to start smelling like curling iron. So I like to have a either classic clean scent or something fun. Now, I got mine from TJ Maxx and the TJ Maxx price is indeed just a whopping $12.99. How much is this at your local store? I don't know. That's not what I'm here for. Secondly, I need a comb and I need a wig brush. All right, let's begin. Because we ain't raw dog bonnets over here. Okay, we put the scarf on first. And the reason I put the scarf on first is to let my leave out and my front stay flat. Because otherwise, they all would look like this when I woke up every day. We don't want that. We don't want that. All right. So first, we're gonna start out by combing our hair. That's first things first, right? You see, it's pretty oily looking. It's even starting to separate because it's oily. And this is a quick weave, and you can't wash it. All combed out like that, like so. Right? All right. Now, we're gonna take our dry shampoo. Two ways to do this, right? The first way is just to spray it on your hair. Let's redo the directions. The direction says shake for a few seconds to wake up the magic. Section hair and spray towards the roots from about 12 inches. Tumble around with your fingertips and add a little head massage to ensure roots are covered. Brush lightly to remove excess residue and style as desired. You're ready for the world. That's what it says. Those are the steps, right? So that is one way to do it. We have a quick weave, so it's not going to hit our roots, right? So that way, I would just shake her up for sure. Shake her up for sure. Definitely gotta shake her. Now you could just start to pull your hair away and spray at the same time, right? And you see, you can get a white cast when you do it this way. So I really want to focus on the spots where my leave out is because you know that be contracting a lot of oil, all right? We got her. She's fluffed out. That's the one way to do it. The second way to do it is, as you can see, as I already did it with this brush before, is to spray the dry shampoo on your brush, like that, like so. You see how it's now all coated? And then you brush it through. And as you can see, it already does not look as oily as it did when I first took my scarf off. That is one way to do it. If you just are going to do a little Target dry shampooing, I feel like this is the best way. Now, if you have a quick weave that, see, look at that. We live to wear the quick weave for at least one more week. At the very least, one more week we get. Now, if you're experiencing oiliness through all of it, then you can just do like you did the other side, separate and brush it through. Okay? But hey, my bounce back. Look at that. It was not even moving like that before when I first took it off. Look at that. We back like a crack. Can I say that on here? Alright. That is the second way. My preferred way to do it. Because it's more controlled. You gotta do more maintenance on this side. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a more controlled way. Now, for this side, you basically need to rub it in, if you will. You see how the white cast is now gone. We rubbed it into our hair. And then I would just, again, brush it through. Brush it through, and we back like new. Now, what I don't recommend is that you continue to use this throughout the duration of this hairstyle. We all know quick weaves are not supposed to be in for very, very long. And if you also want to know how to do it with your sew-in, I do have a video for that. There's a video for that. Go check it out. But this is not the end all be all. You still need to wash your hair. Okay? I need to hold this down for at least a week more. Dry shampoo. I have a quick weave and I can't actually wash my hair because the glue will come out. Dry shampoo. But if I have braids and I was out sweating, now my scalp feel kind of crazy, dry shampoo. But we do not use that to replace washing, okay? We still need to wash our hair. But as you can see, baby, we back. We back. I could go outside and dilly-dally. I could go outside and dilly-dally and not have to worry about my hair looking oily and sticking to my face. Now, when I flat iron it, she's gonna be like, she's back. Look at her. Look at her. She's back. She's back. She's back fluffy, We were looking a little stale, a little dry, but she's back now. And that is how you quickly dry shampoo your quick weave. Anyways, it's been real. It's your girl Fee. And that's how you dry shampoo your quick weave. Let me know in the comments, if you use dry shampoo and how you do it. And what types you use, because I'm willing to try a different kind. I just like this one and I just go back to what I like. So, anyways, it's been real. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to this video. Like this video. It's been real. For the last time. Peace.